Welcome again to E-commerce Academy. And today in this video, we will try to understand what the basic requirement of the Amazon account if you are going to open with the uh, business. And generally, we can say if you're talking about the USA in terms of the LLC or partnership company, and there's some confusion around that what the meaning of business for Amazon. And we will also try to cover if you have a company in USA LLC. So it's not necessary, it's a totally different thing from the Amazon. So it's well the having the LLC is a separate thing on Amazon and connecting to the Amazon is a different thing. So today the video will be around the whole scenario of this concept. So let's get started with this an active Amazon account. You can see this is the status. So we can go to check first account info and check the account is has any issue or this. So okay, all set. You can see the lot of active listing, active in global account is active in USA, Australia, Japan, and so many countries. Okay, so let's go and start that. After Amazon Seller Central, and you can see this is a global account with active in almost all major markets, right? Whether it's Poland, United Kingdom, Germany, and that. Okay, so first things first, we go to account overview and you have reached this screen and then go to the business information. So this thing is should be noted that to sell in Amazon USA, it is very likely, it's advisable that you should have a proper business formation, this entity that will LLC, if you or your sole proprietor, whatever is your business structure is, if you want to be a partnership, you want to LLC, you should be registered earlier in any state, and you have valid all the documents available with you. So, right. Once all the documents are available and you have registered the company and you also registered the sign up for the Amazon account, and if you have provided all the documents to Amazon, then your sales center should bear all these things like this. So what is the procedure? Just go to account info, okay, and okay, and then go to the business information, and then click on the business address and phone number. So your company name and your current business address should be shown here. If it's not showing here, that means, or in many times that your name, your personal name is showing instead of the company, that means your LLC or your business is not connected with the Amazon account. So be very careful. There's very misconception. So for some time, you got that you already, if you already even submitted the business detail to Amazon, and maybe there's some reason or some objection that is not connected with the Amazon account, so you can check that. So this is the major thing which you should know about, that you are running the Amazon account, but your company is not integrated, then there will be an issue. Especially if you are selling the Amazon UK, then if you have to be submit the VAT and everything, so you should be sure that your company or LLC, limited company, whatever that is, should be connected. Another thing is, if you go back and then you can say go to legal entity, then you can see the different thing. Again, there is your all tax information should be and your registered business address should show here. This is the another confirmation of that. So as for today's video, you can see, you can find that your company has or business has been fully integrated with the Amazon account. If it is not integrated, then you can open the case or you connect with the Amazon Seller Central team or Amazon Help support and can ask or can inquire. Maybe there's something pending from your end, some document is there. So thank you very much for this short video today, and bye bye. See you. Keep watching e-commerce excellence academy videos, and it is recommended that if you want to learn more about the Amazon business, including a lot of videos will coming in coming days, then subscribe this channel and like and share this video. Thank you very much, and wish you a very good and wealthy